Welcome to ECTV Tries, where we do stuff because we have to, not because we want to. I'm Phillip.
And I'm Connor. The one thing we sometimes do on Tries is we don't know the task at hand until the cameras start rolling.
However, we have been given a hint. This week's hint is, how well is your English?
Well, me personally, I don't have very well English.
No, English bad.
I don't know about you. Yeah, English very bad.
Yeah, no. So I don't, whatever this is, I'm probably going to do terrible.
So maybe a lot of reading. Maybe reading a dictionary.
Yeah, dictionary, thesaurus, something along those lines.
Yeah.
See if we can figure it out.
I love a good thesaurus.
Thesaurus, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, let's see what today's task is. You want to do the honors?
Sure. Oh, it's upside down. You two will go against each other in a game of incoherent. Someone in the room will show you the card, and you'll have to unscramble the sounds to guess the word. Whoever has the most cards at the end wins. I don't know what incoherent is.
Never heard of this.
Me neither.
Even them giving the directions of what it is still at a loss.
Not a good description, but at least we know who our judge is. So, we'll be right back. We just got to set up for the task.
The sounds to guess the word. Unscramble the sounds to guess the word?
What?
Can you see the word?
Okay.
Like, can you read it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lake Placida. Okay.
Yeah, Lake Placida.
Okay, so that's what you're gonna do, and then on the back.
It's hard to read them. Pass one, please.
Can you back up like all the way here?
We're back.
All right, so we got a brief explanation of the game in the break of how this works. Basically, we're given a little card that has like little sounded out versions of words, and we have to piece it together into whatever the word is, and we were told it's E-Town theme. So let's just begin.
First one, here we go.
Oh, Pizza
Dave.
Dave. Pizza Dave's.
We gotta do like a buzzer system.
Oh.
How are we gonna do a buzzer system?
With chairs on
Alright, now I gotta... I can't even read the second word.
Yeah, that's... Oh, yeah.
Jay's Nest.
Right.
Oh, no. What?
That English?
No, no, what is that?
Yeah. Wait, do we get points off for getting it wrong?
Can we get a hint? Can we get a... No, can we get a hint, Logan?
It's living quadrants.
Oh, it's the Schreiber quads, but...
You didn't pause in, dude.
No, that's not even how...
I know, that's why I'm confused.
I don't think that's... I'm not gonna... No, I'm not taking
Yeah,
that
pass
one.
this one.
It is Schreiber quadrangles.
Why is it quadrant?
I think that's what they're actually...
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
they're not
I
quads.
I've only ever heard it called the
so-
squads.
I don't think the sounds match Schreiber.
No,
Maybe I'm...
it was like
I
Schreiber.
don't know, that's pretty...
Yeah.
I think either you get the point.
Fair.
Quadrangles. Wow.
Hackman Apartments.
Oh, that's where we live.
It is!
And what room number?
No!
Can't read. Can you
What?
lower it?
I can read, I just can't tell the spits thing.
Oh, actually,
What? Yeah, no, I'm not making any sense of this one.
I want to give it a try.
Pass.
Pass.
I got nothing.
Thank goodness it's spring! Okay, no.
Pretty close.
I see now,
Yeah,
but
well, let me see it
I
again.
didn't. I was thinking E-Town, like more specifically, like E-Town.
Okay,
Well,
see,
that's
I was...
what
Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking it was like the top line was one word.
Yeah,
the
I thought it-
second
yeah,
line
that's what I
another
was thinking
word.
too.
Okay, yeah. Convocation.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Is that Colin Help?
We'll have to trade later. I want that card.
No, I want that card. Marketplace.
I'd jump the gun on that.
You want to pass it because I have it?
Etonian.
Yep.
Okay, there.
Yeah, there we go.
You work there.
That's right, I do. Shout out Etonian.
What? No, I don't have this. You struggling too?
Yeah, I'm struggling a lot here.
Yeah, no, I have no idea.
I'll pass.
Yeah, I'll pass as well. What's it? Slaw?
What? Wait, what?
Oh, it's SLA. That's the
Oh,
spelling.
okay.
Because we always call it
Okay.
slaw. Andy Williams.
Jesus, that was quick.
Sherman.
Yep.
It's just his name
Yeah,
separated in
yeah.
half. Look at it.
Yeah,
Look
it
quick.
should have been 2 O's, I think.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
literally just his name cut in half.
Am I covering something?
No. No, I don't know.
You're passing?
Probably.
Yeah, I'll pass too.
Yeah, I have no idea. Studio manager. Oh, okay.
Okay. Adam Delapazzi.
Yeah, it's Adam.
Remotes director. That's a duck.
That says duck tour, yeah.
That says duck.
Yeah, duck door.
Remote's duck tour.
What?
Social media manager.
Please show the camera.
Please show the camera that one.
That would count.
That was so funny.
Oh, taking it. Director of post production.
Yeah.
There you go. That was a close one.
Yeah. Programming director.
Yep.
Is that also station manager?
Yeah.
Why is it in there
The
twice?
other one I think was Logan.
Oh,
I'm
that's
sorry.
right.
Studio manager was Logan. That's Adam Delapazzi,
That's right. Yeah.
our beloved station manager.
Power center.
Yep. Wow. Oh, dude.
Wow.
Apparently.
Getting cooked.
Jeopardy.
My goodness.
Whew.
Come on, Connor, step it up here.
Night carry.
Yep.
Hoover.
Yep.
It's yeah.
Is that,
Yeah.
not taking it. Steinman Halls.
Yep.
There it is.
I do believe you won.
I think so.
You were quick with it.
Phillip was 12 and a half.
12 and a half?
Connor got 7.
12 and a
How did I get
half.
half a point?
Well played.
Well played, I guess.
played,
I'm just
yeah.
confused on the
12 and a
half a
half.
point.
That about wraps it up for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed. I'm Connor.
And I'm Phillip. Thanks for watching ECTV Tries.